My name is Glenn Bartolini. I'm here to show you some of our new products that we're developing in our ROADM group, primarily focused on band expansion. As you know, networking requires a lot of bandwidth, and there's been a lot of pressure to expand that. So we have been working to expand our product line to add additional functionality by expanding the band from what's called the conventional band, or C, into the long band, which is called the L, into one product. And we have actually a set of products over here and that we're demonstrating. Like, first of all, we have an erbium doped fiber amplifier, which we call EDFA. And this module is basically amplifies signals inside a fiber. This particular module is combining a C-band and an L-band EDFA into one package. And we're sending a signal from that into a WSS, which is a wavelength selective switch. That switch allows us to manipulate the light and redirect it from one port to up to 32 other ports. That allows our customers to condition signals and manipulate either their power or where they're going in the network. And when I say manipulate, that's basically we're routing traffic in the form of light from one fiber to another fiber. And in this package is a device that's capable of doing both the C+L band, and we're using it to break the signal generated by the amplifier into many channels of data, and then we're directing it to another of our showcase products, which is a channel monitor. This here is our C+L-band capable ultra-wideband optical channel monitor. And this device basically acts like a spectrum analyzer and measures the signals inside an optical fiber and presents them in real time to the customer so that they can control their network. And this particular device has 4 optical input ports that we can switch between. So if you're looking at the screen, it looks complicated, but on the left side is the WSS control, and on the right side is our channel monitor output, and with the different ports. And the way you should look at this is on the bottom part of the screen is what's called the frequency grid, and that's basically the color of the light. And then the y-axis, that's how much light there is in terms of, we call that power. And what we're doing in this case is we're taking a broadband signal from this amplifier and we're breaking it into even spectra and redirecting it out of the WSS to different ports. And then one of the ports is going straight into the channel monitor. And you can see on the bottom, the blue, all the different slices. That's been broken apart by this device. And then the other port is being redirected into our WSS and then being further divided into bands. We're separating the C band and the L band, and then a combination of C+L band into different fibers. And that's just 4 out of the 32 output fibers that are on this device. So you can imagine in a ROADM network where the signals are coming from multiple fibers, and then they're being able to be manipulated and redirected to go in different places. So all this technology is enabling our customers to grow their network without having to redeploy optical fiber. They basically use the same existing fiber plant and double their capacity without having to do expensive work in laying new fiber. And this is an important part. So anyway, this is a complicated equipment, but this is one example of what we can do inside our company with all the different technologies that we have in-house. And thank you for your time.